Haya, murareri wa Muthingi TV, karibuni sana ari weekend ingi haria ithuĩ nawe tukoragwo tugitungana makire tukoragwo tukirunga ciĩgie anything everything and nothing hari gatha cia Muthingi TV kana makiria gatha cianyu haria tugikoragwo tugikunyita ũgeni makire tugakorwo tugikwira uhoro wigie amaria magikoretwo makiyumiria amaria magikoretwo makihanika makiria thinema-inĩ citu andu aingi rita rĩrĩ ndaigure magiko makiaria uhoro wigie kindu gĩgwĩtwo movie Astro and tuko tukigeria kurelate nayo kana hihi even turagikorwo tukirira twamiona kana turagikorwo kana uria turagikorwo tukimirate tuko tukiaririria icio ciothe ni eri yakwa ngikunyita ũgeni ngetĩka boy wa Njao
getwo Bill Hanya guthie no ririkane no ukorwo kiaraniria na ithuĩ mwena wa YouTube, Facebook, TikTok ciothe ni Muthingi TV.
Nirorere movie Astro?
No.
Why?
To ndiraiguire mukiuga ati ni murarira muno na ndire I'm not in the right state of mind ya gukorwo ngienda kurira.
Urenda gukena?
At the moment, yes.
Yeah.
No ndaigua ngienda kurira ri.
Nikumiona.
Yes. Nigukorwo ngimiurorera.
It's something that especially for single mothers, it's something they can relate to because it's something that every mother will do. You know, no eke odoa wothe ni odoa mwana waku. Yeah, you know it's some we no etagwa mwana Taraji P Henson. Ocio ni kwa ocio thitherwa akoragwo nario, but for some reason I feel that's how the society is.
Maybe no korwo gituhutiria hanini ithuĩ tutakionete tukorwo na clue
Ikaraiwega nini na inywe. So in that movie kwina there's a woman ena mwana so ndiye kuria baba wao ari tondu tutikionetio baba wao na tutiakionio kana ni kurakiurire kana ni kiria etagwa te rwimbo rwa hit and run. So mutumia ucio ri agia mwana ri ni akoragwo because she had bills shirapa ena nyumba ena thibitari ena cukuru ena kiria ena insurance ya thibitari wira kuria ri yani maundu mothe kuria guothe ari anga no kuhinyiririo ti wira-ini came the moment etirio ni mwana kiria ri agetio ni mwana $40 ya mwitirie $40 ya ranji ete tondu ni arathekererwo na mwarimu aramwira ndai na kiria gia kuria ndai na irio cia kuria
ndakuaga irio mwana
mani marihaga $40 riu mwarimu akora horo wigie kiria amuhurira horo wigie kiria ri amuhurira horo wigie $40 icio ri agithie gwitia munene wake akimwira amuhe advance na ari ahote gutwara kiria ahote gutwara na ari $40 cukuru uthiere munene wake akimwira ndakumuhe rutha ambe athie cukuru tona ahuriro thimu ndakwamba kumuhe rutha athie thukuru acoka ningi akamwira atiriri ndai na advance yake the moment acokire ri athie cukuru agikora na mwarimu the moment ari auma cukuru ri ambira agithie bengi akirwo anga ni aheirwo yes I think ni aheirwo the $40 ucoka wira-ini ndagicereirwo munene wake akiambia kumunegenia agithia ikora ningi ni areka ati it's the storyline ri it's a lot of
it's something someone can relate to.
But for single mothers I think they can relate. Athiere agakora munene wake ahanditwo munene wake ni thimwaragia nayo aici magioka makiingira ri uyu ri agikora riu makiingira na mucinga tondu ari na badge ri matiagithoma ritwa riake munene uyu agiciria amauma nao to ni athoma ritwa ria mwiritu ni amugweta munene ageciria mauma hamwe riu the moment riu mambiri kugucania kirehe mbia ruhingura kiria ri
Taraji riu araruta wira bengi-ini
kana ashara arutaga ni supermarket it's a supermarket setup ni ta duka riu unona munene wake ni amoimire kiria aya ni moka ni mamura hingure kiria nake tithi mwaragia nayo Taraji akirakara akia mucingo yakirathao muici umwe aratha muici umwe ri muthuri uyu ri akihurira thigari akimera ona ndina murutu wakwa wa wira arenda no woka na andu aya tondu ni amwe how comes ni makugweta ritwa nona riu thigari nona of course she receive thimu tigo kamarayo kamwire tu nake ri uyu mwana mwandiki abikumuhe mucene anga civile we ona niwe umerehi akimuratha agithie riu nake na cheki andikite hau yari kiria-ini yari metha-ini akimikua agithie gukashini bengi no ni mamu so akimahanda it's a good movie. It's a movie that
I'll consider korwo ngimirorera over the weekend,
but in a rate of 9 to 10 I think I would give it 8 out of 10 because kuna there's a storyline kidogo ni ra confuse
nirora hani
but at the end of the imagine at the end of go struggle ko guothe na kwirwo ni aia fegi na kere at the end of the day mwana ni akuire. Yeah, the child died.
she was sick.
I don't know what happened to the child, but the child died. She had an kiria nearly nikare na underlying kiria nearly na ndwari ugo cietaga. Yeah, nikare na ndwari.
Oh.
Yeah, the moment I kirio jane because ne kirio gina nja wa nyumba re dawa cia mwana wake ciarĩ bagi-inĩ so zikanyeshewa. Yeah, it's a sad movie, yo. But
I'll consider. Ithuĩ na arĩa tũteroreire twĩ haha rĩ nĩtũgũkorwo tũgĩciria kana no tũkorwo tũkĩmĩrorera.
Hey, but it's a
movie. Katũkũmĩtigĩra nuthu twarĩra mũno. You know.
But it's a movie that is nini, it is you know what you're talking about family na friendship, as in no gũteithagia mũno. Is it family or it's friends?
For me, at the moment, harder day in life, the friends, because ukoraga, you might have an auntie who has connections, an uncle who has connections. Na ginya kuri araruta wira ni mahali tajika. Hado
inaigweta.
Nena experience ya miaka ta 10 kana 5. I think iyo experience iyo ya miaka ta iyo it's good enough ya gukorwo ugethera mundu hado, because you know people.
And
you know people exactly. Luri ukoraga most of the time your family members matingigwethera wira na matingigwita haria mari simply because they are afraid wathie hau ni kumahituka no makire. So haria deni in life igiuga it's friends, people I met like 2 years ago ama people I'm meeting at the moment nio makoragwo makini consider maigwa handu ri na ni maramenya uria njika makanjira hai sasa bila
ebutu masivia
kanona makahurira makanjira atiriri kuna mse fulani anataka mtu wa social media uko wapi unaweza make kukuja exactly. But as for family I can't even recall the last time a family member ahurire kunjira atiriri hena wira wa online ye gwendera akiruta would you be interested guko ukiwika
ona angikorwo na angikorwo we mwenyewe no ina kambuni ndangigwita. And I think probably firaga sometimes tarere I think sometimes no na rume na rwa aciari ati angatata fulani ni mari na guruhano na mamuito ona angeigwa no kwa rathi America ndangithie. Let me give you a very good example, not today.
Chatukai comfortable.
Nganga mwere kumwitao, let me put like demwite, give me a random name ya mwanake.
Brenda.
Ya mwanake. Dennis re nerekia form 4 aumete family they hotete ogwo. It's a family that mafataraga ya they need
some.
Exactly. Dennis re he tata wao ni tata are tata mutongu we tondu badai ni ayukiria gikua. Yeah, the aunt passed and what. Dennis re nerekia form 4, all he wanted was to navigate through this town.
Yeah.
Na tondu he had someone who he knew wali town ndio ticio tata ucio agigithie gwa tata ucio wao. He stayed there for like a year, but mwaka uyu ri ni githogothanio we dureka thimu ni ihurirwo mucie. The aunt is always complaining about the nini, is always complaining about him na ati ni kwagana kwa mwagano because at those days ndigikiwa ati riu uria ni ngikimu itone ni mundu ngioi ndakoragwo mwaganu ni mundu mwega ri ona thaici ndari acenjia anyway. There's a night one day tata okire mwanake ucio inukire tha igire cia utuku ni bado mundu ngi anyone in this town. He has not even in the 1 year damaged friends because most of the time he used to work mukawaine wa
the auntie.
Yes. So ndagikorwo ni amenyanite na andu because you see ni ara monitor wherever you are going. Ni uthire kugura mabuku ugurie na bia cigana, ni uthire kugura nguo cia kugurie na bia cigana na ona ni mushara wake. Eure aikinya tha igire cia utuku, it was on a Saturday. Yeah, Saturday na ni kwauraga gukinya tha thita cia utuku. Dennis erirwo haria hakinya ri ithu ni twanoga. Yeah, we are tired with you.
Out of the blues matiahĩtanĩtie na mwariirie ũru matiakuruhanĩte kiroko ndamuonetie ati
atiri undu no igwe kwanja ro ona kiwe mwenyewe akiriu ucio tata we agĩuka rĩu kũheana story before akwĩte ni ugaga atiriri na hana ni ndahĩtirie but amũrire ndauga ume gwakwa with whatever you want from here, just take it, leave. Inuka no thie mwanake no igwa ndoyo nao no tha thitare niguo ahuragira guka wao because now guka wao ne wari the father figure because papa oni akuire akimuhurira thaa thita amwirage guka ni ndaingatwo ndie na gwa guthie thaa ici ndingiona ngari cia gicagi ona kungithia atia yambindire akomenja yakinya thinacara tiguru agikorokire na tauni ethoe ngari ciakwa inuke gicagi. And will this woman come niago tuko musabia? Yes, gicagi ni akwirwo gai Dennis akwa mwaganue oyo hatiri undu ahana, but with time Dennis dakwire ngoro. He worked and right now he's in a very good place. Yeah, na aikara gwake
Ruguri
in this town. Yes.
So now before the auntie oke gukua ri ni amuhoire muhera akimwira I know I did this.
No,
I'm sorry.
the ego couldn't allow that woman to do that. No, ndamwirire ni sorry, but ni aconokaga kuona ati the car she's driving is exactly almost the same in as much as it's clearly no beire ni almost the same yenye Dennis ara drive. Na every time she used to credit herself for his success. Endo ciothe nageathire in family gatherings kana ki
ngukinyitie hau tiganeni kodi akonyitiriire mwaka umwe Nairobi. And how do relationship ya Dennis and the auntie's kids could be yahanaga atia?
Then ni ucio ndamitikire personal tondu until now no nyona makieria no in as much as it's not that ti mundu ungihuldira thimwe wi emergency ni okay, but ndakona thina nao augire we ni amohera because ni mamuhingurire maitho, because if it was not for them throwing him out matingiahotire kiria ndangiahotire we gwika ati ku move out na kumenya muturire uri wikaraga.
Sometimes nyonaga ta he saying like blood is thicker than water ri nyonaga ta rio ya gutuhinga maitho because
ati ndugeke ati family ati tondu family ni guteithia. No, I feel like the family that only can help you no niguo kwiragwo in as much as I don't have a problem with you know makiona mauge
pena thina nao
did nothing. I really have did nothing and I totally have no problem with them. Nothing against them. So the gekiwa in instance ni mana kejeka kiria, but I feel like the family that can help you ni adwa ya mwana share ni ruo nao. You see adwa
the close
the
nuclear family
ona mwahitania atia in as much as ona mugeika ni iguru atia mwage kwaraniria kana ke, that's the family you have. Na nikyo mundu eragwo in whatever you are doing make sure family you give your child at least a brother or a sister.
Na nikyo kuna saying inasemanga after all family is family and you have to do right by them. Nikyo na iguhe scenario ni gumiuga on a first person perspective because it happened to me. Kyo hadoro uwa
ni guikara wega nigetha getha njigwe.
So I had a cousin na twariretaga wega muno nake muno and she used to be my friend. Donaga ndamukuaga tariri, you see a best friend to unaona ni mtu mnakana yeye na ni mtu mna relate vizuri to tumete ati tuhitanitie. Na ndari na laptop yake, unfortunately my laptop yagite mai runuone githuka screen, so I was using her laptop in the meantime. Laptop yo yake ri ikiywo unfortunately nidirikanaga mwaka nikuruga warugaga ilikuwa 31st and I was not in the house. Unaona gukiywo, so thieves broke into the house na makia of the things makuire nilikuwa na hard drive bado ya mundu ngidarutagira wira na nilikuwa na laptop ya huyo dem na nilikuwa na hard drive yangu. Rumuishire kirio niria ngienda ri kuma nyumba iyo ri no laptop na hard drive icio igire. Unaona laptop ti yakwa ni ya my cousin. Niere muthenya uyu ngiri by the way I was so heartbroken to ndariga gwatiriri guy
mwaka urambia atia
alafu ri of all the things mugira kuire ri muronire otuo laptop na ti yakwa ni ene. So now you can imagine. So ndiambire kumuhurira muthenya uyu ngiri ndagicoka tondu
owe ndari kuo
alafu nie kuria ndiri ru nie ndikire happy ciakwa nge Gerugia mwaka mimi nashangaa mbona watu wananipigia saa 6 ama wanataka kuniwish happy new year. Kushika simu naambiwa we bila uko wapi
kiongozi kwako,
unajua kwako kumekai ni dagira thayo hau ilibidi nitafute means cia gukinya gukinya ri
nyumba
ri. So now fast forward nona dinahota kumwira the following day now the new year ndiahotire kumwira ati laptop ni hiyo, but afterwards like 2 days later ngiona atiriri there's nothing I can do, no kumwira ma this and this happened na laptop yaku ri ni iraiyirwo, na ngimwira and she was okay with that. Ni toikaikarite ri months later ri I got a text from her akijira atiriri, unaona me I don't know what you are going to do but I want my laptop. And I was
Wait,
like,
what?
you told me you are okay with it. Akijira atiriri, no, ati unfortunately, okay, fortunately for her, unfortunately for me, akiuga ati she got a job somewhere and she's required to have a laptop. Niere, me being me na ndienda maundu maingi ati tutinde tukibishana ati oi ndwanjirire ndurenda ya ngando, ngikimwira atiriri, it's okay, mi nitakulipa nini laptop. But what I'm going to do, because your laptop was not new,
ukugura second hand.
Nini wewe and I did that. Na ngimwira atiriri tupatane tao
Why laptop?
uchukue laptop yako. Na tukapatana tao by the way.
Niaguka.
No, in between ndimugurire laptop ri I remember ni atinda akini text akijarageria nginya uru naona na gari gago atiriri sasa lapishwa lindo ilifanya huyu msea change hivo.
Ini to ni amenya hau niho akunyitira.
Dunie niwaigwa rune ndagithie tao na nikabai laptop na tukapatana na nikampatia laptop yake. Akiinuka mushi like 2 days later akiambia kujira atiriri ati yo hii ni laptop ya aina gani ulinunulia, sijui si kama ile yangu, sijui nini.
Endagaru yake arute ku ndakigire kwe muici.
Ona tiga to uguo nie ngirigwa atiriri ndiamba ngimwira atiriri mimi nilikubaia laptop
Exactly the
kama yako. Ngimwira atiriri na by the way juu inakani kama ni pesa ulikuwa unataka ungeniambia tu nisibai laptop
kutumire bia
nikupatie pesa. And then nie to ndienda tutidelu nigiaga ke nikamtumia namba ya huyo mse nilibai lapi kwake. Ngimwira atiriri in case you need a change wako ni urenda gushenjerio laptop ongea na huyu mse ameniambia it's okay juu ilikuwa I think ilikuwa na ni 1 year warranty ama ni 2 months I can't recall but yali na warranty ngimwira atiriri kama inakusumbua we fanya hivi urira mundu ucio umwire mukamukora ku town agushenjeria ke laptop. Ni ndiendire kumenya kana ni mariria cause I blocked her cause she used to type me very long paragraphs. Shathukagiria muthenya and it was so annoying. Ndiyo kana have you ever had a friend and then all of a sudden mme fall out na huyu mtu anakusinya juu vitu zenye anashinda akikwambia
zinakuandikira because niyo yenyewe anaenda kuguturithia.
For some reason your story ilifikia Maiguka, my grandfather, and he was not happy about it. Tondwa jeriri atiriri and I have to agree with him whether I was in the wrong or not.
You are not in the wrong. How?
You know, to some people I might because
atakiriwe wiire.
Anyway, I don't care. Oria makenda kumiona. So Maiguka was so upset about it na akinjira atiriri, you know, as family we don't do that. Indo ciako iore itirehanagio and furthermore that is not how you go about it.
No koni laptop ukwendaga ri ungesema tondu yairwe moko-ini maku ri I will just need a laptop. Onoko ndukugurira teo ri but I will just need a laptop.
I'll just appreciate.
Na tukuhe ginya ultimatum tondu ni probably at that time you are not even okay.
Mi niere ndire na uru okay yo I still nidirikanaga scenario yo and everything but I forgive her but I cut ties with her because if it was me, if it was like the other way around, the laptop was mine and she lost it, I'm very sure me being me uguo ndingiamurihirie. Why would I do that?
Na ti ugithire ugati
ni to thie town ni urathwo mundu akwiragia atiriri ti uthire town ni uthire town ni gwika atia. Yes,
no thire kuiga kiria-ini.
So sometimes I feel like kama mtu anakusumbua na ni wenyu unaweza tu mcut off. It's not worth it. It's not worth your peace of mind.
Nikenda kuria atiriri, you see in the generation we are in, you don't have to explain to people. like mudo ona brother yaku thaici akugia ai man your peace of mind is
true. Unaweza mnyamazia for like a week or
mami twajiraga ati na turanjiraga atiriri na which ona ni I agree with her wambu ikaba unoge mwiri wikare uguo biu unoge mwiri ni kuruta wira no ndukanoge hakiri tondu thaici hakiri cianoga we nduriho hana atari okay we living dead man we uri okay
uri okuo tukuone
we uri okay kiria kiratindikwo but ogo family sometimes family no itume ginya we mwenyewe ri wiki ati we no itume ginya we mwenyewe uge ndukanende guciarirwo in your next life ndukanakorwo wao because
actually ni ndariganirwo kuga atiriri ni ngukwirite the hard drive imwe ya irwo ndiari yakwa can you imagine yari yene and we were not related. Imagine I called her nikamwambia this and this happened. Do you know she was okay with it? Na akaniambia oh I'm so sorry. What do you need? Do you know aliniongezea pesa za kubuy a new laptop. So if you compare her and my cousin, two totally different people. Onawe kono weri. Ugeteithia to be honest.
Oh mudo tare wanyu. And then plus okilala rim. Look at the most instances si andu aria tarurora ni njui kwanyu gicagi mwaneka harambe maybe thibitari maybe mwana ara graduate ndarikitie bithi in that family gutiaga mundu umwe wina mbia gutiaga mundu umwe ungihota kurugama
au ukiririe gukira aria angi
yes auga nie ndirarugama na kirieno I will stand with this bill tutiko dohoro wa harambe but the people who will come andu aria moka kuruta harambe ucio na tokona ndaguka actually the moment gwakuo and I don't know why dimenya reason ya andu ayikora kana reason ningi ikoragwo ihana atia mundu uyu ni ukoraga riria mundu uyu arari murwaru ri bill maybe irabataragwo maybe bill ya 100 nigetha you know the hospitals probably kana hendu urari kana hendu urarigitwo utangiamba kurigitwo utaigireire because you know they look at I think they maroraga na range ya urwaru kana kim agokora maybe the starting kiria urabataragwo 40 nigetha ubukirwo gitanda na kim kana theater do ugakora 40 ri the same amount na ithanduku ria guthika mundu the moment mundu uyu na God forbid mundu uyu akua the first person okoragwo ugite nyandika ithanduku is the person who you called kumwira mungania ni arwara akauga mungenipigia jana
onatiga ta nyandikithia ithanduku niwe ukoragwo ri wa mbere haria ugu contribute bario
na kauga atiriri
na hindi ya kuruta 100
na kauga atiriri ithanduku mutigatinde mugitara ni ngugura irio cirabatarwo cia andu
ni ngurugamirira ni nyandika
no kimwira horo wa thibitari aya Donire, let me give you a good instance. Na brother yakwa. My brother, there was a time he was going through. You know, for career his. He was going through some issue that led him to call locked in. And the moment the first person who called us is not the person we expected will call us. The first person atuhurire was his friend. Na the friend went ginya riria mamikire sure ni magia kiria yo yake ni arutwo. Yani that person will go like almost all week ni athia kwi Monday, kwi Wednesday na Sunday. Diko itha tuhe wiki. Not because he wanted anything from us, not because he was there when my brother was he was ni akuruhanitio no ndo wothe. But because yes, yani kila hindi ciothe angiathire no nginya angiahurire mathi mwanake ahana no ni ukwaria nake mwanake ahana no ni ukwaria nake. I'm telling you per week 3 days, Monday, Wednesday na Sunday, no nginya angiathire kumurora. But the people who we expected that would be the people who near
they didn't show up.
Ni andu aria wera makwiraga ni tugathie we ugithie ri ugithie ni ukajira
na wamera mati na ninyitikanire
unajua niko job, unajua niko nini. That's why I'm telling you the moment invest in quality over quantity. Nona mwana tole oe thaici you would call them and they'll be like agatiga undu wake kamera acha kwanza yatana tayu na job nakuja no family mere atire onangania ni atwarwo nitugoka rucio kumuona nitugoka ri na kumuona
sometimes ndũngĩmenya nĩkĩ gĩkoragwo gĩkĩũru na families. Me, I don't know if it's fear ama ni competition ama ni nini. I just cannot understand. Itondo family, like you see, my dad is aciaranirwo na so many sisters because they are like 10. My grandmother has like 10 children, and unfortunately my dad had a brother but he died on a ndiamukorereire. So you see, inakuanga to my dad, and then I don't know if it's right to say this, but I'm just going to mention it. Kirio, by the way, rimwe nyonaga like ta feelaga ari left out. Because wana, like, you see now they are women, they are sisters, nimekunyitana, they do something and they won't include him. Yeah, lule mwenenyo na ta aikara wogu ageshokia. You know, you could just tell. Yeah. No ria mundu nginya araria na araikara, you can tell huyu mtu
ni araigua bado ekiria eja wahoro. But you know, women, you know, on the more they not aware to thaishi. If you want to do something, of course you call your big sister. The moment tu yorenda kugura kindu ni undu wa gwika comparison kana ke you go uhuragira sister yaku kana mamu wanyu. Brother, I don't know this, but tena depends
on
the relationship yanyu.
If I want to do something big at home, tondu riu thaici ri kwanyu ri no mwene mucii ni brother yaku. Eheria baba wanyu no mwene mucii ni brother yako. So in case kwina undu murenda gwika mucii ri, who would you approach? Your brother. My brother. Exactly. Na rimwe ni nginya kumuhuthia. You know, he's alone. Kumuhuthia na tiga ciagikaraga kuu mucii. But again, ukirora horo wegi, especially go come through for people on athaici kuragwo you have 5 contacts irio ngihurira. How many family members do you have in that career? Eheria brother yaku kana sister yaku, eheria andu anyu aria muciaranirwo nao, na jeherie my parents.
Yes, eheria your parents na eherie.
Oh my God.
Yes,
I have no one.
The 5 people aria my sekirine. I think have I think one cousin.
You are lucky.
Nah, funny enough, ida ndakoria ni posted, I was like, whoa. Ongigakora posted ne cousin yaku. Where do you make it? You have made it in this life.
I shall make it. For me, it's just me, myself, and I.
Hey, me, it's not friends who I call for 911. Yo, nimeshikana. Hey, family. Yo. Hey, family ni kuigwa. Imagine, I don't know why, but their families you find people are.
They have a very strong bond.
Like,
they come through for anyone.
Mahali fulani anakuja tunaenda kumu. Mtu ama yuko tutimenyaga.
Wewe hujaiona hadi kuna familia wanafanyanga biashara pamoja and they are so okay with it. Kwetu tukijaribu
wito kama ya date. Eko yedhogo. But for some reason, sometimes I think the small things that happen in family, I appreciate because maybe to a family gathering, you know, every day 26th of December, then to a family gathering. I appreciate the small things. Yeah. Because when I am at on megoda ya hile thena.
Na besha.
And then I think pia ciarire macangagĩra gũkuonia ciana ciao atiriri ndugacoke gucera na ikinya kurehe maundu hatari ati anga mamu ahoyaga ngomi
tiaronirwo njaki urura njaga utuku
for competition ikuona akora aria muciaranirwo nao ri ni mugeragia kugeria gwika ati in life like hey noni bi andu hana nona goria kiraga nona goria thiaga
ona ndironete iginya kuga ndironete ya postete bisha iyo niyo lifestyle ri ikaraga nayo
noni andu arariaga we noni gicicio gia thutha kigiti kia mundu oro
makeup arehaka ani ndia muyu guo ndahuano
no ngirora wega kairitu kau ri kau ni kuigwo ire batikoragwo
yes and then ndio niki gitumaga family mone riri like when you are we are single woman and you are making it in life
you have they always put it like you have
baba umewekwa mahali so unfortunate
no akora ri the more mauga ni kuigwo ri the people aria rakora the people they are having ri karigo si hata wewe kuonge ukweli
true
what is the problem
and then ukora nginya ona ciana ciao ri ni cinyara ni cionetio yani wame grow up na makonio nginya kunyarara ciana cia ciana ici ingĩ.
Yeah. No ko he kindu njugaga na he kindu njira nginya mamito. No, if you have a problem with your sister, you have a problem with your sister-in-law. That is you and her.
Yeah, it doesn't involve me.
Ni ati handu ni ndirarua na ng'ani ati gugituike hito ni murarua. If you have a problem with them, if ni mahoyaga ngoma, that's on you.
Ni ndiyo ni ona ndire ndamuona,
but otherwise ni muruge kire icio cianyu
ni uri wakora nginya tarire. I'll give you of a family that I know na matigakihure. Mena they had a nini, one of the nini sisters akirwara agithuka kiongo, and she used to be very rich. In fact, of all the people in that family, when we were na mbeca iria nyingi ku, but for some reason ni ndio ria gwathire, she got sick in the head. Agithuka kiongo. Agithuka kiongo. And do you know, as we are speaking right now, yani ginya death baga no na andu aria yani mathuka kiongo ginya mundu anyita nguo yake njega ginya guikia kioro na gucina. And for some reason I feel like walimtenga simply because what happened no riria ari na mbeca
ari murata wa muno
no
wetagwo kwa magokona
akiriwe ginya weragwo nditurathie hana
uko tutware
ndirikanaga ngeigua riu ici ni rumors ngeigua ndirikanaga ati gutwikaga ati hindi ria mutumia ucio arwarire ri the sisters magayanire nguo ciake. Yes, the nice ones. And right now ndimuonaga na nguo imwe tu ni ukarigwa atiriri, where are those sisters now? Yani magite tuigana ria guthie gikomba
mamugire na rikire. Oh God. So
it's family above all, but sometimes it's not, blood is not thicker than water.
And you know, friends is the family that you choose for yourself. Yeah.
Yes.
So the moment and the people who can have fake friends, you're choosing a fake family for yourself.
True.
Wenye ndikioe hihi no uteithagia makiria ni family yaku kana ni arata aku kana hihi ure mukoragwo ndugu yanyu na arata aku na hau ni utogo tugitirihira tabarira ya umuthe tucemanie kiumia giukite nginyagia hindi iyo Ngai wa muya kwendea kwigena akurathime ni eri akwa ngetika Wambui wa Njau
anya guthie no ririkane wako mundu ni wanyu na no arakugia. Please, you can put her or him aside for a moment and think about yourself. Till next time, ni geto bilanya guthie. Well